Hey everybody, I'm Don Dabney and this here is a 1949 Willys Jeepster. And in this video I'm going to take you for a ride in the car. I'm going to walk you around the car and I'm going to take you underneath the car. So let's go. Let's go. So this old Willys Jeepster gets down the road great. Got a super loud horn and it's a nice working order. Everything's working in the gauge department except for the speedometer. That is not working. The lights are in working order. Obviously the horn's in working order. It's just a nice functioning car. The steering wheel is very nice. It doesn't have any cracks in it. It looks nice all around. Got some patina going on here. This is an older restoration, but it's very pretty. The overdrive is in excellent working shape, and one thing I love about the way these Jeepsters are geared and with the working overdrive is you can pretty much just cruise around town in second gear all day if you want. If you're in a little town like we are in Sonoma, you know, we never can get up to too much speed. I'm in third now, but I'm probably doing about 45 or 50 right here. Now you also notice there's an antenna on this Jeepster. At one point it obviously had a radio, but it no longer does. That would make it very easy if you want to put one back in. All right, so there you go. If you have any questions about this cool old Willys Jeepster, give me a call. Again, I'm Don. I'm the owner of Left Coast Classics. My number should just be right there in whatever ad you're looking at. If you're at one of the third-party websites and not at my website, leftcoastclassics.com, that's where you're going to find another couple of hundred photos of this car. And there will be additional detail. And sometimes I'll have downloadable things and things I can't put on these third-party websites. Anyway, check us out on all the typical social media sites, and check me out on Wheeler Dealers. First episode was years ago with Mike Brewer when Ed China was on the show. That was a 57 Ford Thunderbird, a black one, if you look it up that way. More recently, 2018, we did a 1972 Lancia Fulvia. That's a fun episode. Mike came over to buy a Rover 3500 from me and ended up buying a Lancia. And we have a third episode coming, but I can't tell you what the car is. But you'll find out because it's coming out soon, sometime in, I think, 2020. All right, thanks for checking out this cool Willys, and hope to hear from you soon. All right, now we're going to head underneath the Willys Jeepster. It's better than most I've seen. It's got nice solid floors and a great frame. Inner rockers look pretty nice. A little damp underneath, but that's pretty typical of almost anything from this age range. That's a very nice undercarriage overall. Alright, so let's do the magnet test. This is a really light magnet. I just like to walk around and show you how it sticks. I don't think any of us expect these old cars to be 100% filler free, but we'd like to know if a magnet can stick to it. So far, so good. Of all of the ones I've had over the years, this has the most magnet grabbing power of them all. That's a good thing. So there you go. Very nice.